back to another video. We're finally gonna be rebuilding up the bike because it's been a while since I actually rebuilt it, and it's been a while since I've actually had like new wheels. So I've had these parts for like almost a month now. I got new wheels, I got new tires. I was gonna get new bars, but I just decided not to, and I got a package in the mail. So in the next clip, you guys are gonna be able to see me unboxing the new parts, and then you're gonna be seeing me building up the bike, and then we're gonna be heading to the skate park right after because I haven't got clips in like a long time. So it's been a while. All I've been doing was work. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, the next clip is you're gonna be seeing me unbox my new parts to finish up the bike, and enjoy the video. See you guys. Okay, so I got the pegs. This is what I needed, and I would run the black, but we're gonna throw on the pink ones because it's gonna match. So I can't wait to throw them on. Right here's the wheels. We got the new tires on the wheels already. I already aired them up, so we got the new wheels right here. And then right here in the closet, we got my old wheels that I've had for like 2.5 years. So it feels good to be running some brand new wheels. So now we're gonna put the parts on. So yeah.